In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer files from Google Drive to pCloud quickly and safely. Now, this method works for documents, photos, videos, pretty much anything stored in your drive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials here in Google Drive and as well as on your pCloud account. In your G drive, I want you to go to the folder that you wanted to download files and transfer it later to pCloud. So I have all these content inside this folder. Okay, so what I'm going to do is download this folder so that the entire content will be downloaded as well. Now it's zipping the file. All right, takes a little while. Now at this point, you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection so that it would not interfere with the downloading. Now, once the zip file has been downloaded, all I have to do is click the save button. Okay? So, at this point, you want to make sure to open the folder that you have saved the files from Google Drive. Now, very quickly, I want you to go to your pCloud account, go to your dashboard and the file manager and look for the folder that you wanted to save the files from Google Drive, which I have it right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, you see there is an option here that says upload. Okay. I'm going to choose the folder. Now all I have to do is select all the files here and click the open. All of the files will be transferred from Google Drive to pCloud without any problem. And again, remember that do not use any VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the transferring of your files. Now from here, you can organize your files into folders so that it's a lot easier to manage. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to transfer your files from Google Drive to pCloud. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.